Hi friends, in this video I will show you how you can connect Wi-Fi with your laptop. So let's get started. Follow my shown steps. First of all, search for Wi-Fi settings. Best match comes up Wi-Fi settings. Click on it. Now here you need to turn on the Wi-Fi settings. Once Wi-Fi setting is turned on, close the window. After that, click on Wi-Fi icon. Now here it shows you all the Wi-Fi network nearby you. So just click on any network, just then click on connect. After that, type your password. Once type your password, click on next. As you see, my Wi-Fi is now connected with my laptop. So through this way you can connect Wi-Fi with your laptop. If you find my video helpful, then do subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching.